welcome to Amy Kate's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a super easy recipe that is so delicious. I have some skinless chicken thighs that we're going to put in our pot in a minute. And we're going to use some mushrooms, sun-dried tomatoes, some of my secret spices that I'll share with you in a minute, and then a half of a small onion. Oh, there's a piece of fur in here. So the first thing that we're going to do is put some olive oil in our pan. So we're just going to place all of our chicken thighs into the pot. You probably shouldn't throw them in your pot. It slipped right out of my fingers. So I browned off the chicken on both sides, and now what we're going to do is go ahead and add in our onions. I chopped up about a half of a medium-sized onion that we can put in here. And then we're going to go ahead and add some mushrooms. We're just going to saute the chicken and the onions and the mushrooms. So then what we're going to do is add in our spices. I pre-mix a tablespoon of garlic, a tablespoon of thyme, a tablespoon of oregano, and then I put some salt and pepper in, and also I put about 1/4 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. This is about a half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes. We're going to put that in. And then I'm going to put about 8 ounces of chicken broth into this. I have 2 cups of almond milk. We're probably going to let this cook about 20 minutes, and we'll check it and see if the chicken's ready. The chicken's been cooking for a good 35 minutes, and the chicken looks nice and tender. It's actually falling apart. So I'm just going to thicken up my mixture with some cornstarch and water. I put about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to about 1/4 of a cup of water. We're just going to stir this in, and once it starts boiling again, it will thicken. You can serve this chicken dish with pasta and with some delicious vegetables, and then you have a nice healthy meal for the week. Also, be sure to watch some of my other videos. I'll put them up above so you can click on those next to see some other quick, easy, and delicious healthy meals. Have a wonderful week. Thanks so much for watching.